Will you marry me?
First question, what's your age?
1 million in the bank.
Love is blind. Age doesn't matter. Your balance is healthy. Doctor-approved marriage confirmed. Officer, what is love?
Love is caring without reason.
And I love you.
Oh! Oh, hush, you're too sweet.